program at the top, sell program into the current low prices, 3 sell programs, 1 minute chart, sell side, sell side, sell side only. In terms of the wheat, well, we had a few problems with the wheat. We had a target price today of 520s, never traded there. We did get day session lows into the US cash open at 521s. Nice opportunity to bank a wee bit of money. Short term, there is a bull available to take a shot at this. But macro-wise, we do have a target price on the swing of 520s. As far as the soybeans, well, we do have macro value, so I am waiting for it to come back up to retest into that macro area. It top ticked the price. I was waiting on it breaking the price to get a little stop run. There is some paycheck above us here, so I'm quite keen to get that paycheck. And then we'll take another shot at the short. Another shot at the short. Hopefully that's not me asking for too much. I might be getting a bit too greedy for myself on this one. But it was a rejected low, so I would expect to see a bit of an opportunity to grab some of that cheeky money at the top edges. Short selling on bonds for the concession was the big play from yesterday, from last night. We never got the trade we wanted, but sure enough, the short sell into that widening chaos looks like the trade of the day coming in from the bonds. And that widening spread has indeed developed very nicely indeed. Let's catch up with the tracker boys and see if they're still on the short sell. Still very small short sellers at the moment on the trackers. They're not heavy sellers. So it's difficult to be a seller at the low edge, but certainly the trackers still seem to be more keen on short selling. No, they're not short selling top edges, so they do seem to be a lot more fair value trading on this one today, rather than taking a particular view of alpha. In other words, what they're trying to do is not to generate alpha. Alpha trackers are selling at high prices, whereas normally they should be buying into the high price. They should be fair value buying into high prices. Well, if they start selling into high prices, then it becomes an alpha short sell. At the moment, they're fair value selling at the moment. In other words, they're tracking the current price. They don't seem to be massively keen to build sell side alpha, but they certainly don't seem to be massively keen to build buy side either. So alpha trackers as much use as a chocolate ashtray today so far.